welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing of a phone I picked up from a seller on eBay. Now my information is kind of here on the side, so I'm going to keep my hand over it. Alright, so there's the phone. It is a T-Mobile variant. It's a Blackberry 7100T. I'm pretty sure it's going to be dead. And yes, it is. But yeah, there it is. Seems to be in really good shape actually, minus the scratches on this front display. It doesn't seem like it's been dropped or anything, so a little bit of mark stamp. A lot right there, but not too bad. Hope you guys enjoyed this short little unboxing, and stay tuned for the next one.